In tonight's Dollars and Cents, time is running out to get your unclaimed tax refund. More than $1 billion in taxpayer money is up for grabs for certain people who did not file a tax return and were owed a refund from the IRS. In California alone, the IRS says more than 116,000 people are eligible for an average refund of $600, totaling more than $92 million statewide. An Elk Grove-based tax expert I talked with breaks down what you need to know.
It's sitting in with the government right now, waiting for you to claim it. And the only way that you can claim it is by filing a tax return.
The IRS says more than 1 million people across the country have unclaimed refunds for tax year 2021 and now face an April 15th deadline to submit their tax returns to get their refunds.
Because you get a refund, you don't get penalized, but you run out of time, and then you're not allowed to claim that refund anymore.
The IRS estimates more than $1 billion in refunds remain unclaimed nationwide, and the median refund is $781 for 2021.
There's that many taxpayers out there that just haven't filed their taxes yet, basically.
Wow. Okay. But the implication of that is also a little risky.
Yeah, some people think that the money's going to be there for them forever. And I've done actual tax returns going back 5 years. And unfortunately, there were several years where they would be losing out thousands of dollars because they just weren't filing them timely.
Under the law, taxpayers usually have 3 years to file and claim their tax refunds. If they don't file within 3 years, the money becomes the property of the U.S. Treasury.
If your returns have been filed and there is a credit on your account, the government at some point will turn around and issue a check or payment to you. But if you've never filed the return, then the statute of limitations that I mentioned applies. And basically, if they wait too long, they will not get their money.
By missing out on filing a tax return, the IRS says you could lose more than just your refund. For example, many low and moderate income workers may be eligible for the Earned Income Tax Credit, which for 2021 was worth as much as $6,700 for taxpayers with qualifying children.
It really just comes down to just filing your returns on time and just making sure that you're claiming all the withholdings that are set on those W-2s that are withheld.
On the flip side, the IRS might owe you interest on your refund. The IRS has 45 days to pay your tax refund before interest payments to you kick in. If the IRS doesn't pay within 45 days, TurboTax says it generally starts calculating interest from the filing deadline or the date the IRS received your return. And we have links and details on our website, abc10.com. You can also email me your questions at lpainter@abc10.com. And right now, on the ABC 10 Plus streaming app for your TV, I have more on what you need to know about the 2025 tax season. Watch it right now on the home screen, download on your TV, and watch for free.